Okay, now in this example on locus, you're asked to find the equation of the locus of point P that moves so that its distance PA to distance PB in the ratio 2 to 1, where A is equal to -3, 1 and B is 2 - 2. Okay, so that should be PA to distance PB is in the ratio. Sorry, I skipped that word. Is in the ratio 2 to 1. All right, now the first thing, as I said to you before, is to draw a diagram showing those things. So you've got A, which is -3, 1. You've got the point B, which is 2 - 2. And then you've got P. And P is twice the distance away from A as it is from B. Okay? So we're talking about distance. So what we can write is that PA to the ratio of PA to PB is equal to 2 to 1. That's what the question's telling you. Okay, ratio of PA to PB is 2 to 1. All right. Now if you write that as a fraction, PA over PB is equal to 2 over 1. And then you can write that as a simple equation. So PA times 1 is PA, and 2 times PB is 2PB. All right, so now you can use the distance formula. You can find the distance PA, which is equal to the square root of, okay, and let's look at PA. The points P and A, there they are. So we can say x minus -3, okay, which is x plus 3, all squared, plus y minus 1, all squared. Okay, that's the distance PA. Leave it as it is. Let's find the distance PB in the similar way. So look at P and B now. So you've got x minus 2, all squared, plus y minus -2, which is y plus 2, all squared. Okay, so now let's go back to this equation. Let's plug those two things in. Right, so I've got PA, which is the square root of all this, is equal to 2 times PB, which is 2 times the square root of all this. So let me write that down here. Okay, so PA is the square root of x plus 3 all squared plus y minus 1 all squared, and then it's equal to 2 times PB, so 2 square root PB, which is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 2 all squared. Now, we don't want the square root sign, so let's square both sides, and we just get what's underneath that, so we get x plus 3 all squared plus y minus 1 all squared. Of course, don't forget to square the 2, that's 4. Okay, open big brackets so you can write down what's underneath the square root sign. Okay, let's expand the left-hand side now. So we got x squared plus 6x plus 9, that's what that becomes, and this one will become y squared minus 2y plus 1. Okay, equals 4. Let's change to small brackets because we can expand now. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 is what that becomes, and y plus 2 squared is y squared plus 4y plus 4. Okay, all right, close the brackets of course. All right, now on this side I can collect like terms just of 9 and 1. All right, I won't do that yet. Let me expand this first. So the right hand side I've got 4x squared minus 16x plus 16, so 4 times y squared plus 4 squared plus 16y plus 16. Okay, just multiplied every term to get these. All right, so now let's put everything on one side. I'm going to start with the 4x squared term. I'm going to take away the x squared term, so I'm going to get 3x squared. Okay, and that takes care of them. Just give them a slight strike through, that way you know you've dealt with those. Okay, look at the 4y squared. Take away the y squared, so you've got plus 3y squared. Well, actually, let's just look at the x terms first, that would be better. So you've got 6x on this side and you've got minus 16x. You want to bring it to the same side as you did with the x squared term. So let's take away the 6x, so you get minus 22x. Okay, now let's look at the y squared terms. So 4y squared minus y squared, plus 3y squared. Get rid of those. Okay, we've dealt with those. Now the 16y, so you've got 16y on that side, add the 2y. So you've got 18y. That's taken care of as well. And now let's look at the constants. So you've got 16 plus 16 is 32. Okay, and you want to take away 9 plus 1, which is 10. So 32 take away 10 is 22. All right. So that is the equation of the locus of P. All right, that's what you were asked to find. Let's look at the question. Find the equation of the locus of the point P. And that is what we've done. Okay, so that is the equation of the locus of P.